Hi everyone, I'm Paula, and I have a quick and easy 5-minute homemade ice cream recipe. This recipe only has 3 ingredients. Let me know your favorite way to eat ice cream. Is it chocolate and bananas, or a sundae, or a cone? The full recipe will be in my description. You can just take a screenshot of it for later. With simple changes, I have lost 42 pounds, and I need my ice cream. And it can't get any easier than this. You're going to need a can of sweetened condensed coconut milk, or any other sweetened condensed milk of your choice. But you're going to need a 14-ounce can. And I do apologize for my voice. I have a cold. The reason I choose the coconut milk is because I find it makes a much creamier ice cream. And you're going to need 2 tablespoons of vanilla. A blender comes in handy, but you can do this by hand. You're going to need a dish to put it in the freezer with, and either parchment paper or plastic to go over the ice cream so crystals don't form. And you're going to need 2.5 cups of cream. So let's get started. First step, just mix your cream and your sweetened condensed milk together. It definitely needs to be incorporated well. Then you're going to add your 2 tablespoons of vanilla, and this you just want to fold in. If you would like this to be chocolate, you could simply add a 1/4 cup of Hershey's chocolate syrup or any other chocolate of your choice. Pour it into your bowl, and don't forget to cover it up. Nobody wants crystals on the top of their ice cream. Cover it up, and in the freezer she goes. This will be ready in 4 hours. So this is the basic vanilla recipe. You can add any fruit, chocolate, anything of your choice. Also, great way to make little popsicles. It's a great little treat in the evening. Sometimes it's nice just to have a chocolate swirl. Yeah, I eat ice cream almost every night. I also like just cutting it in basically a chunk. And I love dumping blueberries all over it. And it goes really well with my homemade eggnog. In an upcoming video, I'm going to be sharing my eggnog recipe, which is great as a coffee creamer in the morning. A great shot of protein. I make homemade butter and cream cheese. We have a great yogurt recipe. And how about homemade feta cheese that you can make with goat milk or cow's milk? We're making birdhouses and homemade suet. Or maybe you stop by my channel because, well, hey, you want to check out the wildlife on the homestead. And, yep, so many tracks. Thank you for stopping by. Sorry again about my voice. Hope y'all have a good week.